Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. You're welcome back to a new tutorial. My name is Winifred. So in this video we are going to be learning how to make this gorgeous peplum you are seeing here. Is a 720-degree peplum. So without too much talking, let's get to it. Papa, to cut out a 720-degree peplum, we need two 360-degree peplum. We need two of the 360-degree peplum to form the 720-degree peplum. So this is what we are going to be doing. The waist measurement for this client is 32 inches. The waist measurement is 32 inches. I'm going to be adding 5 inches allowance to it because we are going to be pleating it to make it very full and bulky. So after adding the 5 inches to the 32 inches, we have 37 inches. Now since we need two 360-degree peplum, we are going to divide that 37 by 2, which will give us 18.5. First, the waist measurement is 32. We are adding 5 inches allowance for the pleat, which is 37, and we need two 360-degree peplum to form the 720-degree peplum. So we are going to be dividing this 37 by 2. That means, which gives us 18.5. That means we'll use 18 waist measurement of 18.5 to cut two separate peplum. Now that 18.5, we're going to divide it by 6.28, which is giving us 2.9. That 2.9, or anything you get as your waist measurement, is going to be the circumference of your circle. Now this is how to fold your fabric. You're meant to fold your fabric into 4 like this, and then fold it again into 4 like this. So now what you're going to do, you're going to measure out the 2.9 inches round the edge. 2.9 inches. 2.9 inches. Now for the length of the circle, the length of the peplum is 9 inches. So I'm going to be adding 9 inches plus 2.9 inches, which is giving us 11.9 inches. And then I just rounded it off to 12 inches. So from this edge, this same edge, I'm going to be measuring 12 inches all the way around. So after doing that, I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to be using this to cut out the second peplum. So this is two 360-degree flare. So this, when joined together, will form 720. So now I'm going to go off camera, cut the lining for these two, and then come back to show you how to attach your crinoline to it, because we are going to be putting crinoline that gives it that wavy effect. So I've gone ahead to cut out the lining for the two. So what you are going to do next is you are going to slit it open on one side like this. So now the next thing you are going to do is to join these two peplum together with half-inch seam allowance. So I'm going to go ahead to join it like this. I'll also do the same for the lining. Then I'll come back to show you how to attach your crinoline to it. Now I've gone ahead to join the two peplum together, as you can see. So what you are going to do next is to put the lining on the, okay, some people can decide to add an interface into this to give it some kind of stiffness, but I don't want to do that for the purpose of this tutorial. If you are doing your own, you can decide to add an interface into this part of the fabric, the wrong side of the main fabric. So now I'm going to be placing the right side of the lining with the right side of the fabric, and then to attach your crinoline, this is my crinoline. What I'm going to be doing is, after placing the right side of the fabric with the right side of the lining, I'm going to just move in by 1 inch and start sewing my crinoline on at the edge like this all the way around. But you make sure you don't pull your crinoline, don't pull it. Once you pull it, you are stopping the wave. So just allow it to follow its course and stitch it all the way around. After doing that, I'm going to show us the next step. So let me go and do this off camera now and show you the next step. So if you've sewn it successfully and you did not pull it, this is what it's going to be looking like. It's going to be very wavy. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is to stitch this place down with half an inch. We are going to stitch this place down with half an inch, and the other side too. We're going to stitch it down with half an inch. Cut off the excess, turn it to the right side, and give it a very good ironing. So I'm going to go and do all of that now, and then I'll show you how to attach it to your fabric, to your dress, Jerry. Don't mind me. So guys, I'm done pinning. I ended up pinning the front panel. The teeth was not able to go round. You see the essence of pinning. If I had gone to the sewing machine to sew it just like that, I would have to lose it. So I've pinned it. I'll sew it now. I'll come and show you the final look. So this is the final look, guys. See how bouncy and wavy it is. This is really beautiful. If you do not pull your crinoline, it's going to be giving you something like this. It's going to be very bouncy and very, very, very beautiful. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope it was insightful. Till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.